Alright guys, so we just arrived to Ebisu. I used to call it Ebisu, but it's called Ebisu. Brought the R34 GT-Rs. We're not doing anything with the 34 GT-Rs here at Ebisu. What we're drifting today is this right here. So we got this, what's it called? JZX100. I don't know exactly what edition, but the thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's my first time ever drifting in Japan. That's gonna be my car drifting. I wish I had a Corvette out here, even a right-hand drive Corvette. Would have been amazing, but obviously this is Japan and they don't have a lot of American cars here, so I got to drift whatever they got here. It's a fully prepped drift car. You can actually use it for competition. It makes about 450 horsepower or something like that, which is, you know, pretty solid. I mean, that's exactly what you need for drifting and learning. So we're here at Ebisu. It's a legendary place. Obviously super old school. There's people drifting right now. But anyway, it's gonna be super cool having fun here drifting, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna learn a lot drifting in Japan. The JZX100, we're gonna follow it down to the skid pad track. This is such a sketch little tunnel to go through. Oh my goodness. It'll be fine, it'll be fine. It'll be good. Alright here. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, that's fine. We're good. We're here at the skid pad right now, getting some laps in. This is the drift cars I'm running today at Ebisu. It's a JZX100, a pretty cool car, fully prepped drift car. There's another one back there. That one is like less prepped than fully prepped, but prepped still. But anyways, we got this one behind us, getting some skid pad laps in so I can get comfortable with the car, comfortable with the feel. A little wet out here, but it's great for tires, so you're not wearing down the tires too much. And yeah, I'm gonna run around, get real comfortable with it. And then after that, go to the next little skid pad down there, get a little bit more comfortable before I head over to the bigger tracks and really start sending it. Top end first time. Let's see how this thing is. About to give Jay a quick ride on the skid pad right here. So let's do it. And this JZX100. Yeah. But like when you're inside, this is like nerve-wracking. Yeah. All right, we graduated to the next step of the Ebisu, which is the bigger skid pad. I'm gonna try this thing out, see how it is. graduated towards the big track. It's really slick. So I'm gonna take it real easy. Drifting on this north course over here has been really exciting with this car. Gonna go get some more laps in right now. It's my first time driving a 1JZ car. 1JZ, small little motor, turbocharger, big old little turbocharger on this thing. It's making about 450 horsepower or so to the wheels, something fun like that. It's pretty solid. I mean, the car works well, it handles well, a lot of good angle. It's just slick on the track, so obviously you can't push it as hard as we really want to, but hopefully it dries up a little bit so I can really push it a little bit. Until then, we got what we got. Scary though.